In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand expanded distribution on KDP, a tutorial designed specifically for beginners like you. If you're new to Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP as it's commonly known, you might be curious about what expanded distribution means and how it can benefit your book sales. Don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. So let's dive in. First off, expanded distribution is a feature KDP offers that broadens the audience for your book. Typically, books published through KDP are available only on Amazon. However, when you opt for expanded distribution, your book becomes available to libraries and a wider network of retailers outside the Amazon ecosystem. This means that your book can reach potential readers in places you hadn't been able to access before, like a local library or a bookstore that doesn't primarily sell through Amazon. This increased exposure can be a significant advantage, especially if you're looking to reach a diverse audience or penetrate new markets. It's important to be aware, though, that with this wider distribution comes a trade-off in how royalties are structured. Royalties through expanded distribution are generally lower than regular royalties on Amazon sales. This is primarily because KDP needs to share the revenue with other distribution partners involved in getting your book to these additional venues. While it might seem like a downside at first, it's vital to weigh this against the potential for increased sales volume from accessing a broader audience. Furthermore, not all book formats are eligible for expanded distribution. The eligible ones include paperback and hardcover editions. Unfortunately, eBooks don't qualify for expanded distribution, which makes sense if we consider that libraries and many brick-and-mortar retailers still heavily rely on physical books. When planning your publishing strategy, make sure your book is in one of these eligible formats if you're considering going with expanded distribution. Finally, before you jump into enrolling your book in expanded distribution, it's crucial to consider the reach versus royalty debate. Ask yourself, do you prioritize having your book available to as many readers as possible? Or is maximizing your royalty on every sale more important to you? Some authors find that the satisfaction of having their work available in a library, where someone might discover it and become a loyal reader, outweighs the decreased earnings per sale. For others, the financial hit isn't worth it. So there you have it. Understanding expanded distribution on KDP revolves around knowing where your priorities lie between gaining wider reach and maintaining higher royalties. I hope this tutorial has helped clarify the essentials for you. Weigh your options carefully and make the choice that aligns with your goals